Hey guys, what's up? I'm Himanshu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn and Crack Ethical Hacking. So in last video we left off about first Python data structure called list. So now in this video we are going to know about another data structure which is Python dictionaries. So basically dictionaries are Python's implementation of data structure that is more generally known as an associative array. A dictionary consists of a collection of key value pairs. Each key value pairs maps to key to its associative value. So let's see with practical of it. Suppose I create a new list named students equals to student name. Suppose the student name is Raman and its value age is 12. Suppose a new student name is Bob and its age is 15, and another student's name is Shonam and her age is 18. So if I close a bracket, always keep in mind to use brackets after the variable or a string. If I hit enter now, if I type students, we will get these student name. But now suppose I want to extract one student, which is students Raman. Suppose I want to get the name age of Raman. I will not get it because this error is showing because list key value pair cannot be extracted. That's why dictionaries are used. Now see how dictionaries can be used. First we need to type variable name students equals to, always to use dictionaries you need to use curly brackets, open curly brackets, then in apostrophes we will type string. Suppose same name we will take Raman, age is, to define key value pair, key is Raman and value is his age. Suppose his age is 12. And another pair, suppose another name is Bob, and after colon we will define its value 15, and another student whose name is Shonam and her age or value is 18. Close the bracket. Now if we type students, we will get these names. Now if I want to extract the name, we will get it easily. Suppose I want to extract the name of age of Raman, I will get it. How? Just see. Always keep in mind to use apostrophe after Raman. These mistakes, I oftenly do these mistakes. So if I type Raman, then students Raman age will be outputted as a result. So now suppose I want to extract the age of another student named Bob. So I get it 15. Now suppose after 2 years the same list or list of items is extracted, but now we need to update the age of Bob. So how can we update any item in our dictionaries? So let us see how. First type the variable name. Suppose here variable name is students and put square bracket and apostrophe and the name of item that you want to. Suppose I want to update the age of Bob, then type the variable which item you want to update and equals to the number, the value you want to update. Suppose now the Bob age is 16. Now if I type students, I will get the Bob age equals to 16. So this way we can update any value, key value and value of any item we can update by just simply writing the code variable and the name of item that you want to update and equals to the value you want to change. Now suppose I want to delete the name of a student. So how can we do that? Just simply use del function, del name of your variable students and the name of string that you want to remove. Suppose I want to remove Bob. Now if I type the students, you can see Bob is not included in our list. Suppose I want to know the list of total items in our list, then we need to simply use len function and put on parenthesis open and just simply type your variable name. If you use, then you can see here is 2 because we have updated our list and deleted Bob. That's why here are Raman and Sonam. So this is all about dictionary. These are the basics of dictionaries. Hope you guys understand. In this video we show how to update any dictionaries, how to delete any item from our dictionary, how can we get the length of items in our dictionaries. More we will talk about now. In this Python series we are just knowing the basics of Python. Hope you guys understand it. Please like, share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.